Withdrawing money from the eSewa without the KYC can be limited, but in this video, I will show you how to withdraw your money without the KYC. And if you're new to the channel, make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. So what you have to do is to log into your eSewa application or the website or log into your account. Navigate to the transfer, go to the bank transfer or send money option, then select the bank account or agent as your withdrawal method. Enter the details, provide the recipient's bank detail or agent code, and then review the details and confirm transfer. If using an agent, visit the location with a valid transaction code and ID. And remember that non-KYC account may face limits on transfer amounts. It's recommended to complete KYC for full functionality. So this is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.